Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. It's another edition of What's on the Porch, and I'm lumping several things in together because we're getting close to the end of the month. I have my Macy's box in a cup. I have my IPSY Glam Bag Plus in a bag it's not supposed to be in. And I have some friend mail from Kim's Happy Place. And it says, friend mail for an episode of What's on the Porch, so I have to include it. I have been instructed. So let's get into it. I'm going to hold off on the friend mail and do that last, just in case it makes me cry. Then that way I won't have runny makeup through the entire video. This is my Macy's box. It came in the box, but they should have just sent it in the cup. Look how cute it is in the cup. And this is my last Macy's box for a little while. It always comes with a little pamphlet to tell you what's in it. And a coupon. It's got a coupon in it. It says it's a $43.99 value. The Macy's box is $15.85 a month, I think, something like that. I'm canceling for a little while just because, I got a lot of stuff. So they sent you this cup, and this cup is a color changing cup. Watch cup color changes instantly with cold beverage. And that's not here in the little pamphlet thingy. And I stuffed all of my goodies in there so I could throw the box away. I'm super excited that they sent me this Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Diamond Dust because I bought this. Where did I buy this from? I don't remember, but when I got it, it was broke, like shattered. And I couldn't get a replacement. So I'm super happy that they sent this to me because it is so pretty. Can you see that pink? It's got a pink shift to it. Look. So pretty. And that's way too much. Ooh, look at how pink. So pretty. So I'm super excited about that. And that is a full-size product. Everything else that I have is samples. There's a watermelon do all over serum from Moly. And we all know that his products are really good. I have a lip balm, Sun Bum. I think it's SPF 30 mineral sunscreen lip balm. That's nice. I love lip balms. And then we have Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Broad Spectrum SPF 45 Hyaluronic Cloud Moisturizer. And Peter Thomas Roth, which is hard to say too. Peter Piper picked a pickle, yeah. Anyway, his products are always really nice, so I'm excited about that. And then we have 2 samples of perfume, or parfum, if you will. We have Coconut Cove and Vanilla Sky. These are both Skylar, so that's exciting. I like samples because then you can test things out and see whether or not you like them. But I hate the sample thingy because they're hard to spray. Which one is this? Coconut. See? That smells good. Smells like you're at the beach. And the other one is Rich, Creamy, and Warm Cappuccino. It's called Vanilla Sky. And these are Clean Beauty, it says. Ooh. That one smells really good. I like that. And then we have Versace Bright Crystal. I am going to smell like a French you-know-what when I'm done. But I am making the sacrifice for you. This is Versace Bright Crystal. It has notes of iced accord, peony, acajou, musk, some kind of amber, lotus flower, magnolia, pomegranate, and yuzu. Yuzu? Flower fruity musk, it says. I don't know that I'm going to be able to smell this. Oh. That smells really good. And we have another Versace Eros. I like how they put all of the notes and all of that stuff in the little card. And the bottle, so you know what the bottle looks like. That's a pretty little bottle. That's a whole lot going on in this one. Head, heart, and dry down. There's lemons and oranges and flowers and vanilla and herbs and vetiver and all kinds of stuff in this one. Oh, mama, that one smells really good. Oh, I like that one. I bet that's like $800 a bottle. So that's what was in my Macy's box. Let's move on to the ugly IPSY bag. IPSY sent me an email. I got this. This was landed on my porch today. And I got an email that they had run out of the bags for July, so they were sending me an offbeat bag, and they weren't kidding. And I missed my choice, so I didn't get to choose any of this stuff, which doesn't make me happy. But tell me, that's an ugly bag. I don't like it. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, we have a card. Somebody had gotten an IPSY and it actually had the products on it. This does not have the products on it, so I don't know how much my products are. One moment, please, while I pull up my email. And of course, as soon as I pull the website up, they're wanting me to sign up for the Glam Bag X that has Alicia Keys in it. And I'm like, I'm trying to avoid. Okay, so we're going to start off with, I was supposed to have a blue or yellow bag. We are going to start off with this Jessica Black Hydrate Primer. Vegan friendly, cruelty free, and it retails for $20. It's a 2-in-1 primer that creates a smooth, even canvas for long wearing makeup. Seems like I might have one of those. Next we have Dr. Brandon. This is eye cream, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. And this retails for $82. Dark circles, crow's feet, dryness, puffiness. This multitasking eye cream helps minimize it all thanks to a blend of energizing caffeine, moisturizing ceramides, shea butter, and plumping peptides. That all sounds good. It even tells you how to use it. What's next? This Ivarani Balance Restore Serum. That's a pretty box. It's heavy too. This retails for $60, and it serves as proof that balancing serums don't need to be drying. Oh, it's in a glass bottle. That's really pretty. Tea tree oil, chamomile flowers, and cucumber extract. Well, you know we gotta find out what it smells like. I have a cat hair or something somewhere. Comes with a little plug in it. I got so much perfume going on, I don't know. That smells fresh, clean. I don't really smell a lot of tea tree, which is good. Tea tree does not smell good. It's very good for you, but it doesn't smell very good. What else does it do? Clarifying and calming blend of tea tree oil, cucumber extract, chamomile flowers, and witch hazel, which clear your skin, minimize the look of pores and dark spots, while also restoring your natural moisture barrier, which is a win-win, it says. Next, we have Rowan Kiss My Badonkadonk. This is in the shade Scout. This is a liquid lipstick. I have a few of their liquid lipsticks that I have gotten in my boxes. This retails for $26. Oh, that's a pretty color. I like it. Ooh, very pretty. I don't know that that's a lipstick. That might not be a lipstick, but it's a lip balm. It is a lip balm. Very cool. I like that a lot, actually. And then the last item in my IPSY bag, IPSY Plus Glam. What have I got? IPSY Glam Bag Plus. It's one of those days, y'all. Dexter's been sick. I had to take him to the vet. I thought the guy across the street had really tried to hurt him. Vet cost me $100. Not that I care about that, but and then I got special food and all kinds of stuff and things and kimchi. I have kimchi. Tailored bronzer. As if you just came back from a vacation. 04. I went to Miami. Is the shade name. Let's see. This is $15. I don't remember whether I have a kimchi product or not. The packaging is really cute. Look how cute that is. I went to Miami. That's what it looks like. It has the kimchi embossed. Don't know if you can see that with the mirror. See the kimchi embossed in there? That's cute. Doesn't smell like anything. And that's what the bronzer looks like. Not too bad. It might be a little orange for me, but I think I can make that work. Very nice. Very nice. I ain't mad at it, even though I didn't get to pick, but that's alright. Let me figure out what my bag comes to. One moment, please. So my bag comes to $183, and I paid for IPSY for a year. So my bags are $24.89. Regardless, I got my money's worth and an ugly bag, but it's all good. Alright, let's move on to some friend mail, shall we? Anybody want to place bets on whether or not this is going to make me cry? Kim did message me and tell me she was sending me a little something, but she didn't tell me what she was sending me. We have, oh cool, I've been wanting to try this. We have the little face mask and a little bowl. How cute is that flipping bowl? You put all of your serums and lotions and potions in the bowl and then put the mask in there and let it absorb all that goodness, and then you put it on your face. I love that. Thank you, Kim. Maybe that'll get me excited about doing a Mask Monday video. Yeah, y'all, I know. Me and the Mask Monday videos. I don't know what the problem is. Oh, my goodness. Well, I'm going to have to do Mask Monday videos now because look. Oh, look at how pretty that is, and I can't show you that. I'll just be tucking that away over to the side. She sent me a card. We'll read that in a minute. She sent me a Yada Collagen Mask Pack. That's really cute. And I don't know what that says, but that's super cute. And she sent me a Be Bouncy Skin Bear. Oh, this is the mask that Christopher and I did for Mask Monday when we did a Mask Monday video together. Oh, I will link that up in the iCard. Every once in a while I go back and watch that video and I just laugh and laugh and laugh. It is absolutely hilarious. But this is the mask that we did. Thank you, Kim. That brings back a lot of memories. I'm sure you probably didn't even realize that, did you? And then there's the card. Boo. Oh, I feel so silly today. Did she glitter bomb me? Did she? Yes. She glitter bombed me with dragonflies. Look at all the dragonflies. Holy cow. They're all stickers. I love me some Kim. I just love me some Kim. She makes me happy. Look. And then look. She didn't do that on purpose, but on the other side she drew her signature rose, and look, you can see it in the heart. Isn't that awesome? That's awesome. And she did it all in pretty colors to make me happy. Hey, howdy, hey, boo. Here's a gift for you, plus some make your own sheet mask. Also, blah, 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 which I'm not going to read. Blah, blah, blah. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah. Love you lots, Kim. I love you lots too, Kim. I really do. I really, really do. You have no idea. I will message you about the wah, wah, wah. And then we have a wad of blue paper. I wonder what's in it. Oh, look at the little, it's a little birdhouse. And then it's all dragonflies and a bell, a dinner bell. Dinner time. I remember when my grandmother used to ring that. Thank you, Kim. I love it. I love it. I'll put it in my background with all the rest of my pretty dragonflies. And I didn't cry. So happy I didn't cry. Thank you, Kim. If y'all don't know who Kim is, I'll have her channel linked down below. Definitely go check her out. She is awesome. And she is everybody's happy place. So much so she had to rename her channel. So there you go. And while you're going to check out Kim, because I know Kim has been trying really hard to help Jean Louise reach 1,000 subscribers. Kim has been trying really hard to help Jean Louise reach 1,000 subscribers, and right now Jean is at 969 subscribers. So I'm going to link Jean Louise down below as well. And y'all need to go check her out. If you do not know, and I know people say this all the time, if you do not know so-and-so, and she's just amazing, and she's great, and blah, blah, blah. But I'm telling you, Jean Louise is so funny and positive and uplifting, and she has the best laugh in the entire world. And she lights up a room. So y'all go check Jean Louise out. And if you like her content, subscribe to her channel. And let's help Kim help Jean Louise to reach 1,000 subscribers. Jean Louise and Amanda. Because Amanda is one of the top-notch stars on her channel too. And if you don't know who Amanda is, you're just going to have to go watch Jean Louise to figure out who Amanda is. Okay. That is Macy's, IPSY's, and Friend Mail in this version of What's on the Porch. Thank you for hanging out with me. Before you go, hold on. Make sure you show the like button some love. It really does help out my channel. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. Please, please be kind to one another. And I will see y'all in another video. Bye-bye. Christopher, look. Christopher, remember memories. Da 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 da. I don't remember the words. Oh, Christopher, we need to do another Mask Monday video. Okay? You promised me when you got your chair. I know you have your chair. So it's time. Okay? Your beauty tip is if you want to live to see another day, then you need to hook up with me and schedule a Mask Monday video, okay? Mama loves you, boo.